Today we will make delicious pancakes. Thank you for watching the video. Here is a recipe for quick and easy pancakes. The ingredients you will require are 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is optional. Now for making the pancakes, take a medium bowl and whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, then in a separate bowl. Beat the egg and then mix in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Then using a ladle or a measuring cup, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges begin to dry, then flip and cook until golden brown on the other side. Serve with butter and syrup or your desired toppings. Enjoy your pancakes. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.